Okay, this is the introduction to the fried rice video. First thing is we have a guest cook tonight. His name is Nader, and I'll introduce Nader at the beginning of the video. And the second thing is this bear is 60 years old. It's what I came into this world with. So the recipe, if you're going to make it, needs to be toned down because it fed like 9 people, and we took some home. Other thing is the secret to this is really undercooking the shrimp slightly and undercooking the eggs slightly so that they cook perfectly when you put them into the rice and finish off the rice. Lastly, the spices are to taste. I found I needed a bit of chili peppers. Everybody else found it on the verge of just the right amount of spice. So that's really a taste thing, and it's going to depend on your audience. Lastly, watch your salt. All right, let's get on with the video. So this is Nader, and Nader is going to make us Western fried rice, he's calling it. And Nader and I met a while ago, and he owns Steveston Pizza. I will put a link below. His pizzas are next level. You should check it out. But now we're going to make Western fried rice. Go.
Okay, we have a pot and a frying pan. We're going to fry some eggs and fry some of our ingredients. Use vegetable oil for shrimp fried rice just in case there is leftover. It's not going to solidify in the fridge. So a little bit of vegetable oil, some scrambled eggs.
So how high is heat? Is it a medium heat?
It's high to start with.
Okay.
Once it gets going, you can turn it lower.
Okay.
And keep scrambling it. And then in the pot, put a little bit of vegetable, which you did, a little bit of onion. So it's shrimp fried rice, not fried rice with shrimp. So you gotta have a good amount of shrimp to stand out. Yeah, you don't want to be looking for shrimp.
Face it towards the camera for a second. I just want to show how it's working. Yeah, okay. Go ahead.
It's at least just about 2 pounds of shrimp. If you don't want to use a whisk, you can use a wooden spoon. It won't matter. The scrambled egg is turning up nicely. So we don't want to overcook the eggs. We don't want to undercook them. It's a little bit soft. The shrimp has to cook. It's very important because you're going to add cooked rice, and we don't need to cook it with rice. Takes about 4 or 5 minutes. All this nice and pink. Now we're not going to use soy sauce or anything to the effect.
Yeah, I'm finding soy sauce a bit salty for me these days.
Yeah, we're not going to do that. So it's just about cooked. Get some green peas. Green peas are already frozen, so all we're doing is frying them out. We don't want to cook the green peas. Good. And we made ourselves some Japanese rice with the rice cooker.
So about how much rice is that?
That's 4 cups of rice. So we're going to break the rice. We could do it with a wooden spoon too. I prefer this. Then add some chili oil. Or you could just add chili flakes. If you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add anything. Lemon juice. A fair amount. This rice doesn't have salt. I didn't put any salt in it, so I'm just going to salt it a little bit. A little bit more lemon juice. Tiny bit more salt. And at the very end, we add our eggs. And you know, the outcome is not oily, it's light on the body. Put green onion right at the end. We don't want to cook it. At this point, we turn off the stove. And now we're going to taste it. I love lemon juice, so I just add a bit more.
Almost completely lemon juice and everything.
Yeah, I love lemon juice. And there we have it. Now, putting it on a plate. And plate it. And this is a lot of fried rice.
There's a lot of fried rice. We'll take it next door to the crew.
Yeah, so we're going to take this to next door. So that's it. The key is to have lots of shrimp.
Yeah, no, the shrimp really comes through, nice flavor. And they're perfectly done. They're not too rubbery. They're not...
Yeah. So you don't want to use black tiger. You want to use white tiger shrimp. They're always going to be more moist, flavorful. And a bit of arugula on top. And that's it. It's a very simple dish. Very fast. So we can't go wrong.
All right, perfect. All right.